everybody. Hey, we're getting quite a few people asking, how do I get rid of a job in zzTakeoff? Well, have I got a video for you guys? So I've got this crazy weird job here and I want to get rid of it. So all I have to do is go to my workspace drop down, go to open project, and we don't want to do that. We're just going to take this one and find the three dots to the right and delete that puppy. Oh, I misplaced my button. Let's delete. You can also duplicate them, by the way. If you wanted to, you can come in here and do the same thing, duplicate, or you could just right click and delete, whatever floats your boat. But I wanted to show you guys, okay? Be careful when you delete them. That would be awesome. Very hard to get back if it was done by mistake, so please be careful. Another thing you can do too is, I don't know if you see that, but we have some folders. Let's go here. And if you really wanted to, you could create an archived job. All right, and we created that folder. I guess I didn't hit save. Very good. Archived job folder. There we go. That was painful. Hit save. And now let's say I wanted to archive this job. I could just slide it in there. Anyway, so you don't have to delete them. You can archive them. Or you can send them to another workspace if you want. Okay? So just wanted to kind of show you that. Thanks for watching. Bye.